Students, please outdoors, cross-check and stand by for your safety demonstration.
Mamaya, upo na sila. Pwede upo.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good morning. On behalf of Captain John, First Officer Sun Long, and the rest of the cabin crew, also known as Scoodies, we'd like you to welcome on board to Scoot TR397 bound for Singapore. We are pleased to be carrying passengers of our codeshare partners. The flight time for today is 3 hours and 15 minutes. We will be scooting off soon. For assistance, please approach any of our Scoodies. Thank you for choosing to fly with Scoot and enjoy your Scoot experience.
Wala talaga nahulog dun. Dito lang dun. Kasi pag-angat mo ng pag-angat eh. Pag lagay mo dyan, wala naman. Hindi sabihin naman na naibig lang.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we will now demonstrate. I beg my pardon. We will now demonstrate the use of the safety equipment on this aircraft. Please keep your attention to the cabin crew at the front of the cabin. Fasten your seatbelt like this and tighten it. To release, lift this catch. Now, the use of your life vest. Your life vest is under your seat. Slip the life vest over your head. Bring the waist strap around your waist. Connect the clip and pull the strap to tighten. Inflate the life vest only at the exit. To inflate, pull the red tab firmly downwards.